Hello, this is Gabriel Niobodai Togbo Ashon. I'm in Gamashin, where the Ghana people are celebrating their annual Twin Festival. I am at the Sakumowe Temple. Sakumowe Temple, it's one of the most important holy places in Accra. There are a number of pupils here who are visiting this temple to learn from the elders, to learn from the chief priest, one of the chief priests called the Sakumo priest. So let me get to them and have a brief conversation with them, after which we are all going to enter the temple. I am seeing a priestess who has come all the way from Togo. There are Ghana people of Accra also living in Togo. In Togo, they are called the Get people, and I can see a priestess who has come all the way from Togo to the temple here in Accra. Hi, welcome. You are the leader of the delegation. Why this decision to embark on this tour?
We are here.
Which school are you from?
Okay, we are from Grace Preparatory and JHS, and we are here to learn some of the Ghana cultures and their traditions, how they perform they perform their cultures and how they do their things. So that's why we are here.
Okay. So how do you feel as you are going to meet the priest? How do you feel?
I'm excited because you are going to learn about our Ghanaian culture and then to learn about the Ghana tradition too and how they celebrate their festival. Let's move in now to observe exactly what's going to transpire in the temple.
Was a Grace Preparatory School. Ni first light Matayoko. Ni what's your gun? What's your big community? What's money? What ba gamantia? No abi gaman kusum kebona mesame kusumi ni bi ehan. Ono jono ni ko babi eni.
Wa gbegbe ko ni nene chako. Kenye achonje memi ne chonje. Keshe eko klonwe no ni sawo kwa fita iwanye eke amekasele ojogba iwanye bi mo afi tuwe na mebutuwe ke abaya mewoloji amiye na menya mekachuni
mletwa ne ake nyana ni iba bote shia wulu ne ake nyentaw nye kase bini ha aji ayele yeli yo ihan lo gbenu na chon na ke yo ha aji ayele ile nyentaw nye kase gbe kan ke sani wo chonye e ke fe jale bo na fe ke nye chonye bi ye school e ke be e fe anunya no popa e awo fe fi o mi ake haji ne safra che na atwa ma ke haji yen safra che wo ye haji nunka yo dan wo ye haji ye enyo wo ye haji hin enyo we won aje safra che keji oba ni yele tumuneke na abawo haji aba aye haji nunka yuba aye hiyenyo lemba na wo dani aye yenyo lem ba na wo no keji awuba atam se nyeti amekomenye kwa ke o no na fi o no kokula abemi no na fi o efe tumundu kukeke shikeji ale no ni bone no je nwade ni awuna kan ba ni bone ukoje nwade na ke telebo uba na no ni yo mi ake safura che me kome na meje ku na mbadom wo ni ji na kan ha ji afọ keke ko na ni adrobo ake bone ona hwe ona okuka akule len sulu adrobo odogba denche ake boyo no ya afọ mo ne safura che obi nyum ake wo abo ekome ne ya abo enyo wo edrobo odogba denche le chofile le poga ke tun mu fin mo no ake tafra che me ko ake won J1 kula ni shikusun ni kashin ni sanafi ke jo bo ade bembe ni wo je Israel ni wo ba kusun ni kashin na fi o mo dani won wo wa ni na no nu wo wa ni na won wo po wo won chano mo na fi ko ni me ni ba je wo se hun na ma ba ni na e ka ma mecha no e ke efe jale o fi o pe ni wu oni ni ke ba hanye ye ha jia yele yele mine enyo mashima ni koni lehun ikenya agbaje me isanifi o
bi eji sakumowe gan fe tache bi eje ka ke gan no machine shi ani ne na le bibio ne efe no ba no go to gan bi eji gan ni bi aje na huta anura sro asante sro e bi enani iwo no fe no na ajonsi e bi e na gbe ona ye bi e iwo wo hajia yele wo che egbra mi echonye si wa efita ahi kengrem wo ba fe no ko ke tonyin e dan wo ga wo nsi blow nya pe Christopher ano ehu enehun hajia gbin na mentu ameno e ka megbelegbe yan wo e ke gbo aho atele sroto mo fe mo ko wa na mo fe mo ke susuma ni ba ye ni wo ba ye ni wo ba poto ni wo ba swan e ge fe wo fe de ba na mi odogba.
Are you following? Right, so you are still on Metro TV with me, Gabriel Niobodai Togba Ashon. The elder of the Sakumo Temple is engaging or teaching the pupils you see here, the students, much about the Ga cultural heritage, the Ahamawa Festival, and also the Twin Festival, which is being marked today. Letting them know that, look, the festival isn't fetish. It is their heritage. It is their culture, which has been transferred from generation to generation, and they are doing their best to uphold them. This is what the Gans are identified with and has explained a number of benefits that the festival comes with. I am getting to the teachers here to have their feedback, what they think about this explanation. What's your feedback so far? How is the conversation going?
So excited and so important to us all. So some of us we've learned, but not everything that we know. So it's so excited for us here to learn more about our heritage.
Our heritage. We'll be coming back briefly, but let me get to the pupils too. Hello, are you all there? Are you all here? Yes. You've been learning in your classrooms and from your textbooks, but today you are witnessing. How do you feel? Are you learning something?
Yes, please. We feel excited because some of the things, some of the history behind it, we didn't know. But when we came here, we studied a lot.
Okay, thank you very much. What have you also picked so far?
I've learned that it is not fetish, but it is a tradition they have to perform to hoot at hunger.
Okay. Hooting at hunger. But before then, what were you hearing about the festival? Was it bad or good?
People used to say it is like fetish, but spirits and things. But today we have learned that that's not it. But it is a tradition they have to perform.
So you're happy being here?
Yes, we feel privileged too.
Okay, so the pupils or the students feel privileged to be here. They are being educated to know more about the cultural heritage of the Ga people in a practical way, and I am certain that this is going to leave a lasting impression on them. A good initiative which we all must uphold as Africans and also as Ghanaians. We could develop many literary works on this.
O fine achami Elena Ele Hammond. O fine Hammond. O fine haji kemokomegbo ni eshemokome ye aye kusum na afian hale.
Wabiyo na ayele alo ya ebi wa ke haji kemokome jemi mini kusum afian ha mokome. Yes. Kaji menyo ye ni mokome shi mokome ye. Before that na ba ye haji ayale yele ayakpe ame na bi ame so ake mini kameba ni mini sumoni afi ahame ama ame chon noni sanafi dana yo ameyele ahame wonaka no ka me shije aba ache ni moko e ba ke okay ka me shi nyemi ejele mi be afi ne kan mi alo afi ne kan le be na afi ne na wala ni lehun ehinshi elako akagbe na noko akafele be enyemi eshi le mo ne shi eshikole shi kamuko yo ken noji anjia kusum fe mo deba anya nu shi obo nu question na shi
financial mi Emmanuel Nilai Ashon Emmanuel Nilai Ashon o fa mabia keshi shienye afio anjia festival
Nilai ke yesane bi mo eko onwe Nilai Ashon mi no ke
o fa ni bi ani mamo o se o fa mini akefio
Nilai nkwa ni bi ami je ewie mo pe bo to ehie na aka ni bi ko me mamo hie ka mini akefio
o fa woya ni woya
Ogbe
Achomi Esther Daute
okay
woya what the manche awe babao ni wana okadie wole ni woya ma
akoywe wa fi o no bomoden oywe fine
ni what the manche awe babao le wana okadie gbogbo ehe shini wo babi ele wona okadiko ye bie o fa mi ni
o fa Achomi David ni aje Ashon o fa mi tema bia keshin o fa beni wo ba wona na angma ni bi ko me gbogbo e angma ofite na angma asa o fa mi tema bia keshin mi nje eshishin
ni komi odui fane o fa ni wo what a hey come ni amehani ye ni amefugbe mi ame wise o mi to ma bi no ne woni aha na ameba mli
wa bi nu na bi question kwa ke nunu shenye afio ha me anji ko wa ke mi ni ba to shi ne ma yeyele dagbe ekusu ni egba eda fe po ege yele eko mba ke afia mi siete ka gbe na ga fe party ya mi be ife eko don oba anya nu nshi that's it or that's it no ni lesusu ma ba bi e ba ke no jiboni aba fe ahanle de ba anya nu nshi wo bi yo na le un bi ake ete manchewe agbo question sho akomi o ka mi niji ene bia mi na bia ke na te manchewe ina okadi strut ye jeme wo bia ne wo be okadi ni bi ye ya ke bia ne tomo Mose shia gbalawe ke o ba bia no she bia o ba ji otokota bo fe bo ni ji manche jibo ke o ba shia na mi ye ga manche jio manche president jibo jio no wo tokota ko she gate na o ba ji osofo ojiboji o etomo Mose bene eke Israel se yen ne ka mi ya shipon shipon no ni nanyu gbo kela ke woche Mose jemo tokota ya ke yenu oyo eji konkro gbe no ji shianem eji konkro ke amo femo ne dugbe kona helana no konfebo na ka bo babi na yenu na ke suo no o chamo e ba je po o emo ke yeli bien ne ko obabi e no ni onane himeji yen ame ni subo ni ji ame waji ame emo ke yeli ni yo no meji ene wo no mu akome ejunle ke enibi srotwe ji no ni yo wo chole na yo oba ne nu si ewo okadi ko bebie ni wo moko egbe alo echonbo ake bia ne nekeni se bia ji konkron gbe ni bi srotwe ni gbo na fe ni ko tawo e ko se bi obun ne ba se na kan oni bia no ewo okadi ko bebie wo sian ko se agbo e na ake no na gbe ni ji bia ewo afi okadi na draw sian ke no fe no na afi ebo akadi ake tokota ba mi abu fa ike ba bi ne fa nya nu si ko ofe yi ani obe egbe no ba bi ke yojibo no te tu ansepe ayegbe na fo no ba sa no tun no ko ni oke ya o ba bi e ka si beni o ba gbe nege otwanse ni femo na keji afo ye biye afo awe gbele sane ye biye ake nifu ton biye kemoko twense biye pe belu ton no kwa ake sane wulu eba obasani adrashia na fe all the necessary customary ni ba ni bia femini konkron bia tamo manchewe kokome bia shine etamanche mefe ni organo bia di the holy praise ka otobu no solie bia otani onokona alo agbelo ime bia iwo ka ofi ono fe no ye konkron mi e ni mumo efe ba femini amba yen ose iwo okadi ko gbebie ni to aga bie neke ni so kadi ni yo bie le unko sese akeba chonbo ni ko otono hu e no le no tono agbotwe ke ole no tono aba agbotwe siko le no tono ango kekebo ewa ba na moko ba ke na fe e bie odunsi sika kebo no kuonye ngmeno no fe betomo obodo nto fe mini olo kenya nyanunsi alright
ofana chomi dori na kugu ofana minta ma biake ene minewo anano
efiage ninye bane okadi ni chon ene otutuni ni chon ake mumwe a okadi ne one je no ko follow ni taflache kagbomo ade sanjibu anono naka no le ngbomo ni onye lo femini oneno ame ha wo mumo ke hewale ame gbele wo gbe short ya wo ame no ame bu owo yi wo bia mi ni wo yo ni lebi swan gbeke amo ame fi omi ni ame yo ni wo ame ni nye no dino ni ake salano kene kwenu ka unka shi agbo na fe otutu ejeme sha na no ni kaji ojeje wani no anano no kafe to mo oswe be no ba na etobo kadiko no sumo nyenushi iwo emi ngbra mo ne
ana ina remo ina agma noko ye gbogbo e ni won ba wona ni agma noko ye gbogbo e ni won ba
ofite asa alo ofite osa that's it wa hanin nyenu ashianke beni boke ashante me huota ke angra me the warriors, the highest priest of the Gun states niji numo ogbame sakumo romo niji the kenkremo 16th century say me ameji meni amedomo wona na mehuota ehawo iwo ke ejibo ekele no ebole ega fe mini ega bo fe nyanyo ega oba fite keji moko fite noko fite agbebu le no ne ba feji is a spiritual father as an enye save o life iwo bi epe achowo ofite osa ka fite bu wo ba sa ichoyen nke anya ke keji oye ni elako nyebo no na kebo session na mi you believe that no ni won wo ba sole ni wo ba chu wa bu e ba fe mi ni e ba chabu wonye na aga ni afite bu no sebi ene asabu do noji ofite osa ni ye tawumo mi hu eke asante stroke anran stroke shite odoma nyanusi beleji de hanta nuko eba moko yikoledan le yi asante me ne sua me fe ne ka mewo ko emi ni wo kogan ni ganfe wo no ni no lolo asante me to ni amafe mi ni amaye gan ewodi e si wo pe na ame ya ge cheme si awo mo. Thank you very much. Saint Wulu ni wache be bata the warrior Numo Ogbame Sakumo Romo, the warrior, the highest priest of the Ghana states. Kajalese Mogomogobe. Leji money the third. Leji money nane niji Numo Ogbame the third Sakumo Romo. Negade chakwe ale.
Cheme kanyeme bi kehoefe mimba nye de omanye. Mimba nye de omanye. Ni yese inugbeku abimuku aka atomo ni kome otu. Odui. Ojo odo chewe. Oje odue kome judge odue kome family. Anano olemi ojugba sana wona chombo yake woye odue se woye fame nke mimi blamu si onyan gbe si ole no je olakoje biye nyeshiane nyeshiane biye wo hanye shiami bi agbe lojini o se ni me afi odue je la odue me amewo komi bi egbe bi enu jimeni wo komi iwa don menu pe jinini nu enu ni egbe yen to mo otu nu mba ni bi esaniye yo iwa don bi ke ho efe ni apesi e bi e loko be pe jomo ni kwa nye pe aji ye fe nye ji anye twimi ni ke kasi ani nimba tomo judges ke lawyers ke presidential mimini yawo koni wo fe wo se ko ke bra una she mi ya na oshimashine ni wami e to ma doctor nurses ke presidential ke parliamentary ke ni bi fe nyawo e wa don shin mo ne ga ya hin asani ye nyo mi ne ga ya hin asani ni hie un ye o mi nga fe ya shi ni ye o mi me ne ga jolly ye ja yen twimi ne ga yen twimi atuni ke enuko ba bibo obrayo ne ndo machine sumu ke na shi mbani kasemu aka ke mbata o yenulo ya shi me lege won ye sore nya ha na asani ni neke kora 20 June 19 ni ba ni obraya bi ni te school mo fe mo yen o mo fe mo efo o ke bo sun lo afo lo pa po bo e afo lo pa po tra no manya finye ya to mi nu mo gba mi ni ji ete Sakumo Romo, war commander of the Ghana state and highest priest of the state, Ghana state.
Ingbeji ni Ogbame Mensa, head of Sakumo with.
What I would say is we really thank them for whatever we've learned here, and then we really hope so that next time when we come, we are going to learn more and more about what we are expecting from here. But we are okay for that.
Okay.
Yes, I want to thank them for the education that they have given us. I think it's prudent that sometimes students are able to come outside of the classroom to also learn. So we will thank them for the education.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, it's been a very great enlightenment. In fact, I have learned a lot of things today about the Ghan tradition, about twins, and then their celebrations. I'm very grateful, and I thank them so much for having time for us to teach us about what we have not known for a very long time and studying in the books, but not reality. So we are grateful for having them today.
Okay, let me get to the students briefly. Students, are you here? Students, are you here? So what have you learned today? Nayele?
I've learned about the history behind the festival we celebrate, and I want to stand on the behalf of my friends to thank the family head for explaining and things we didn't know to us.
Oh, so Nayele is giving vote of thanks. So when we have a few more coming, well done, Nayele. Who else is willing to talk, has something to share? What have you learned today? What have you learned today? Ni, what have you learned today?
I have been able to learn a lot of things today, our past and where we come from, our tradition and everything about that.
What specifically did you hear?
I heard that like this festival is not fetish, like it's not a festival, like it's not a bad festival. It's something we do yearly for twins.
So you've heard from the students as well as from the teachers saying that it's been fulfilling. They've learned about the Ga culture and that it is not fetish as had been previously shared with them. So they are going to uphold it going forward. I trust that you've as well picked something from it. My name is Gabriel Niobodai Togbo Ashon, and I've done this together with Paul Koba. Thanks for watching.